In this video tutorial, we provide you with a more close-up view about the hardware elements of our brand new digital matrix. The volume and monitor headphones outputs give us sound reference in the front panel for the output sounds, VU meters with clip LED for saturated signals, mute and select pad. A short button press selects the channel, while a long button press mutes the output. As well, the control pad button commutes between content source, EQ, and volume for each channel. The digital knob, along with the encoder, allows you to modify each parameter specified before. The digital screen provides a visualization for each channel configuration, source, gain, inputs, and tone control, or giving you information about the device such as firmware, name, network, admin, and client users connected. On LED and data LED. Finally, on and data LED gives a visual reference for the audio signal and switch on. Regarding the rear panel of our matrix, on and off switch is the switch to power your unit and the plug to connect the wire. The mute port can be activated by closing the external drive content, affecting program outputs to this effect. Those 8 mono remote ports could give you an increase of flexibility thanks to the wall unit panels in order to send audio signals, adapting the matrix setups to their user requirements. A phantom switch for condenser microphones connected through the inputs 5 to 8. Ethernet and RS-232 interfaces. These ports give the unit the possibility of being managed remotely by the TP-Net for third-party integration. 4 stereo line and 4 mono mic line equipped with priority function. This mono balance mic line inputs from 5 to 8 can attenuate or completely mute the sound content present in Docker or pager mode with the 2 levels of priority function. Outputs are built up with the Euroblock connectors. The 16 outputs may be individually configured, resulting in mono zones, as well as the possibility of setting them in pairs, turning into 8 possible stereo zones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check ECLER.com for more eMIMO info.